restrictions, the builder lumped them all together as one single area, including properties he had no control over that did not require a retention pond. HOA then thought covenants had to have been placed on my property, especially with the road access. Deed recorder was therefore the person who erred in not adding them. We are taking action against the builder. Turns out the environmental report was wrong and a retention pond has to be put in anyway. Your client spent thousands on 2 pits that were unnecessary. You are welcome to join us. Edit. I'm surprised at how fast this all moved, but apparently it touched off a crap storm when a paralegal pulled most of the information yesterday from the township. Someone did something very wrong, either by mistake or on purpose. So basically guys, in other words, they admitted they were wrong. We can say one ongoing land dispute resolved. And the next one is titled CA Property Management Company not complying with court-ordered security deposit return wrote me a bad check. I lived in an apartment complex with a third-party property management company during 2017. My lease expired on 31st December 2017. The property management company sent me a single sheet of paper with the disposition of my security deposit and no other documentation within 21 days, but no receipts, invoices or documentation of repairs and costs. They claimed the entire deposit and demanded an additional $2,000. After 21 days, I still had not received any further documentation about why they were demanding so much money. I found out later my former apartment had been renovated with new top-of-the-line hardwood floors and raised the rent by $500. I sent a letter demanding my full deposit back, less the $125 statutory cleaning fee. Their response was sending me the same form with a demand of payment for $1,000 and a single invoice with a single item for services rendered. I took them to small claims court and won a judgment of a refund of my entire security deposit plus the filing fees. My argument was that the company did not comply with the requirements of the California Civil Code regarding the timely return and documentation of security deposit disposition. I waited the 30-day stay of judgment and sent a letter demanding payment. After a few more weeks, they sent a check for the full amount. When I went to deposit the check, the bank said there would be a 2-week hold. Since there appeared to be some issue with the account, the check was written from. 2 days later, the check cleared and funds were deposited. Yesterday, I found yet another demand letter from the property management company demanding payment of $400 and included was a copy of the notice of entry of judgment. No other documents were included. This morning, I saw the money was missing from my account. Further investigation led to me finding there was a stop payment issued by the payer and the bank charged me a bad check fee. So my question / legal advice is, what do I do next? Have I exhausted my remedies with this company? What can I do about them not complying with the judgment? Is there any remedy for the bad check? Thank you very much for your help. And a user in the comments said, interesting situation. The first thing I would do would be to file a police report for the bad check that you were written. Then I would call the clerk of the court where the court order was made and ask them how to motion for contempt of the order to repay your security deposit. Update to the property management company's story. Good news, I have finally received my full judgment amount, interest, court costs and fees from the property management company. I sent them a certified letter demanding payment of the bad check while threatening another lawsuit for damages. They replied saying they had no record of a check ever being sent to me in the first place and they sent a return demand asking for payment of $400, which they claimed was the amount due after they subtracted the judgment amount. That same day I went to the court and filed for an examination hearing. This is a hearing where the defendant is ordered to either pay or appear for the hearing with an explanation of why they haven't paid and a statement of assets for me to levy from. Failing to appear for the hearing results in a warrant for the defendant's arrest. I sent a strongly worded letter informing them they could either pay or not pay, but the judge would probably not appreciate them failing to comply. I also explained the issue at trial was the return of my security deposit, not how much I owed them. Within an hour of the sheriff serving the order, the property manager called me and asked for a breakdown of the costs and the total amount they owed. I added together every bit and they paid me within 24